children, welcome to English grammar class. So today let us see about the degrees of comparison. That what degree we are going to compare. Comparison, compare, okay, comparing, okay. So now in the degrees of comparison you are going to find it is of 3. That is positive degree, comparative degree and the superlative degree of comparison, right? So now so there are positive, comparative and superlative degree. So now what's the positive degree? It is used when no comparison is made. Means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸೀತಾ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಗರ್ಲ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೀತಾ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೀತಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಸೀತಾ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಗರ್ಲ್. ನೋ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ಸಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್, that is known as positive degree. Okay, so that is about positive degree. He is young. He is younger than his brother or sister antade helilla. He is young is the example they have given for the positive degree. He is young. Okay, so usually here in this no, with the no, this thing, two parties are found here. Only one person, this one appreciation is found here. Okay, adjective is found here. Okay, so now going for the comparative degree. Comparative degree is used when two persons, two things, two directions, two places, when the comparison made with the two more than one, then comparative degree can be seen. For example, Suresh is younger than Ram. Okay, so here Suresh is younger than Ram. So here two persons we have found here, Suresh and Ram. And here one more changes what you are going to find is, here in positive degree young you are going to find when we are comparing between the two people or two places, two directions, like the two times. When you are going to compare like that, this word is going to change with er or more. Okay, so it depends upon the word. Okay, for example, intelligent, he is intelligent anta bandittu andre he is intelligenter anta baralla. There is no word called intelligenter. We can tell as he is more intelligent. Suresh is more intelligent than Ram, we can tell. Okay, so depending upon the words, this er is used and more is used. Okay, so which all the changes could be seen in the words we are going to find in the exercises. While doing the exercises we can find the changes there. Okay, so now here no comparison is made in positive. In comparative degree, more than one person, only two persons comparison will be seen and er is used. The second rule is er is used and the third rule is than is used. Okay, in comparative degree, while comparing we are going to make usage of than there. Okay, Suresh is younger than Ram. So three rules should be followed while making the comparative, while making the changing the positive to the comparative degree. So now going for next, that is the superlative degree. It is used when more than two persons or things of the same class are compared. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಥರನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ we are going to make usage of superlative degree. Okay, the teacher distributed the sweets among the 9th standard children. So here collectively I am telling you, right? So now here he is youngest in the family. Here he is youngest in the family. So here young, younger, youngest. Okay, some words there is no, we can't make usage of est. Okay, and also, so once for example. So here two rules should be followed here. Here, whenever we want to compare more than two persons or two places or things, we are, that is known as superlative degree. And here, usually we are going to add est, but not for every word. Okay. So for example, by intelligent I told you, here intelligent, more intelligent and most intelligent. Okay. Some words are going to change like that. I am going to give the table. As per that, which all the words need to be changed, you can write there. So he is the youngest in the family. Here, while writing the superlative degree, you should be aware that the is used. Okay. Why the is used means in the articles, the is the definite article. Whenever we are referring to the certain person or about any person, we are particularly when we are speaking about certain person, no, then the definite article the is used. That's why here he is the youngest person. We are talking about him. Right. That's why here the is used. Okay. Right. This one and this is the other change what we are going to see here. 1 and 2 changes and here 3 changes. Here no comparison is made. That should be kept in mind while changing from comparative, superlative and positive degree. So now here for some more examples they have given. For the superlative degree, the strongest, the shortest, the highest, the most courageous and most tallest, most brightest. Here most tallest and most brightest we can't tell. That is here bright becomes brighter, brightest, and here this one tall becomes tall, taller, tallest, right? And here we can go to the this one now, exercises now. Fill in the blanks with the correct degrees of comparisons of adjectives given in the bracket. So here they have given here. Let us see some more this one exercises. By doing the exercises, you will be aware of the words. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of comparison of adjectives given in the brackets. So here, Ramu is the dash boy in the class. So here they have given tall. So here one should be noted that whenever in front of this one dash the comes means automatically we can tell that this sentence is in the superlative degree. Okay. So here they are concerned only about the Ramu. That's why Ramu is the tallest. So tall in the positive degree, taller in the comparative and tallest in the superlative degree. Tall, tallest. Why tallest I written means the has come here. So we can, by seeing this the only, we can consider this sentence is in the superlative degree. Okay. Next, Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the dash mountain in the world. That is I they have given. So here again they have given the. So we can, it is well understood that is in the the sentence is in the superlative degree. So you need to change this high into superlative degree. So this high is positive, higher, ER if you add that comes to comparative and highest becomes the superlative degree. So now going for third. These new bulbs are dash than the old ones. dash than the old ones. So here one more, that is in comparative degree. I told you the changes whenever than, it should come with than, right? And to comparison, two places, two persons, two things, whatever two is there, then it comes to for comparative degree. I told you. Here read the sentences twice or thrice, then make out. First make sure which type of sentence is that. These new bulbs are dash than the old ones. Here new bulbs 1 and the old ones 1. 2. This thing is there. So whenever two this thing comparison is made. So here the comparison made between the old and new. That's why it is well understood. That is in the comparative degree. So we can make usage of that. This one is bright. They have given it a bracket. So it is well understood. Bright in the positive, and than whenever it comes after dash means then it is straight away you are going to write in a comparative degree. That is bright becomes brighter. Right. So than will be there in comparative degree, and two things will be compared. Two things have been compared here. New bulbs to the old ones. Right. So bright becomes brighter in the comparative degree. Likewise, still so many distinct examples are there. I am going to tell you. Sorry. Though he is dash, Ramu is dash than his elder brother. So, though he is young, Ramu is cleverer than his elder brother. Okay. So, though he is young means that is here there is no comparison. Though he is young, Ramu is cleverer than his elder brother. So, in the second sentence they have taken the comparison between the elder brother and Ramu. Okay. In the first sentence they have taken this one only one person this thing have been said. That's why it remains young. So I am going to send you the clicked copy of this one, and you need to write in the classwork book as it is whatever the notes I have given. Right. And what all the changes should be done, that also I am going to click and send. You need to copy in your classwork book, and as per that only you are going to read. Okay, study for the exam. Thank you.